A broad market pullback is underway today, and the reasons behind it matter for every asset class. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for June 18th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is little changed, hovering near 24,110 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally. Investors Business Daily. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,713 level above and $23,507 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is broadly flat at 77,261 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally. Investors Business Daily. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is trading higher by plus 0.35%, at 57,788 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Bank Nifty is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $58,944 resistance and $56,632 support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Reliance is trading lower by minus 0.25%, at 1,329.40 Indian rupees. Jio's 5G ARPU growth is the near-term catalyst as users migrate to higher value plans. The revenue per subscriber inflects upward. The retail segment is the largest in India and growing steadily. Watch for any update on the new energy gigafactory ramp, which represents the decade-long upside but requires patience. Wipro is trading lower by minus 0.23%, at 184.04 Indian rupees. Revenue growth trajectory is the primary debate. Wipro has underperformed IT peers on organic growth for 2 years. Any acceleration above 2 to 3% sequential growth would signal a turn. Large deal TCV and pipeline are the leading indicators. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 94.44. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty ticked up plus 0.35% to 57,788 Indian rupees. With Bank Nifty moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $59,233 level above and $56,343 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.